हेलो फ्रेंड्स, एनी मैनी चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है। तो मैंने पहले ही बताया था कि हम पोस्टल शॉर्टिंग असिस्टेंट जो 2013 में हुआ था उसे सॉल्व कर रहे थे। तो अभी मैं आपको बता दूं कि ये सेकंड पार्ट है जो हम शुरू करने लगे हैं। तो सेकंड पार्ट हमारा है पार्ट बी, मैथमेटिक। तो इसमें 26 क्वेश्चन है। टू ट्रेन्स लीव स्टेशन पी एंड क्यू 110 किलोमीटर अपार्ट. Train from P to Q travels at 25 kilometer per hour and train from Q to P at meter per hour. If they both start at 8 p.m. they meet at. तो इसका सही आंसर है none of these. 27th क्वेश्चन है a sphere of radius x is melted and its volume is divided into two equal parts. One part is cast into a cylinder of height 10 cm and second a cone of the same height. The ratio of the cylinder radius to the cone radius is सही आंसर 1 ratio √3. 28th क्वेश्चन है a man buy milk at a certain price per kg and after mixing with water sell it again at the same price. How many grams of water he mixes in every kilo of milk if he makes a profit of 25%? तो इसका सही आंसर है C 250 ग्राम. 29th क्वेश्चन है a sum of ₹8,000 generated ₹1261 as compound interest in 3 years. Interested being compounded annually. The rate of compound interest is, तो इसका सही आंसर है B 5%. 30th क्वेश्चन है by how much is 2/3 of 96 less than the fifth of 210? तो इसका सही आंसर है 62. 32 क्वेश्चन है the average temperature of 3 days are 240 Celsius. If the temperature on the first 2 days is 200 Celsius and 250 Celsius, then the temperature on the third day is, तो इसका सही आंसर है A 27 Celsius. 33 क्वेश्चन है A 5-year cash certificate with the maturity value of 300 is purchased from the annual rate of simple interest is, तो इसका सही आंसर है A 10%. 34 क्वेश्चन है you bought some apples. On the first day, you eat 1/4 of the remainder. On the second day, you eat 2 and 1/4 of the remainder. On the third day, you eat the remaining of third. How many apple did you buy? सही आंसर है C 9 apple. 35th क्वेश्चन है if the digits of two digits are interchanges in the newly formed number is more than original by 18. If the sum of the digits is 8, then what was the original number? तो इसका सही आंसर है C 35. 36th question. 1 year ago, a mother was 4 times older than her son. After 6 years, her age more than double her son age by 5 years. The present ratio of their age will be, तो इसका सही आंसर है B 25:7. 37th question. If 2:3, what is the value of 3m plus 5n 6m minus n? तो इसका सही आंसर है 7 into 3. 38th क्वेश्चन है a triple discount of 20%, 10% and 5% is equal to the single discount of, तो इसका सही आंसर है A 31.60%. 39 क्वेश्चन है 3 items are purchased at 380 each. One of them is sold at the loss of 10%. The other are sold so as to gain 25% on the whole transaction. What is the gain percent on these two items? तो इसका सही आंसर है 42.5%. 40th क्वेश्चन. The size of bag that could hold 6 kg of oranges has now been increased so that it can hold 8 kg. And what is the percentage increase in size? तो इसका सही आंसर है B 33.1.5%. 41 question. If w slash x equal to 6 slash 11, then y slash z equal to 16 slash 23 and w slash y equal to 9 slash 16, then what is the value of x slash y? तो इसका सही आंसर है none of these. 42. What approximate value should come in place question mark in the following question? तो ये इसकी स्टेटमेंट दे रखी है √727.995 प्लस ब्रैकेट में 5.1961 and bracket close square equal to question mark divided by 2 slash 10.7960. तो इसका सही आंसर है B 10. 43. Midpoint of the side of an equilateral triangle of side 18 cm are joined to form another triangle whose midpoint are further joined to form a different triangle and this process is repeated indefinitely. The sum of the perimeters of all the will be. तो इसका सही आंसर है D 108 सेंटीमीटर. 44 क्वेश्चन है. A sum of 8500 is 2 among 5 men, 6 women and 8 XYYs in the ratio of the share of one boy will be. तो इसका सही आंसर है C 85. 45th question is Ram and Shyam work in the same factory. Ram can produce 45 article in the 1 hour and Shyam can produce 40 article in a 1 hour. During 1 week, Shyam work 5 more hours than but produce the same number of article as Ram. How many hours did Ram work that week? तो इसका सही आंसर है D 40. 46th question under root 441 slash 63 into under root 81 slash 83. तो इसका सही आंसर होगा C1. 47 which one of the following number has got value? तो इसका सही आंसर होगा 53 slash 4. 48th question the average score of Sachin Tendulkar in IPL 15 matches in 70 run and the average score in trophy T20 is 45 run in 7 matches. He was played 10 more than T20 matches and his overall average score in all T20 matches was 73 run. What was his total score in 10 international T20 matches? तो इसका राइट आंसर है A 971. तो इसका राइट आंसर है A 971. 49th क्वेश्चन है नंबर ऑफ डायगोनल इन द 30 साइड कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगन विल बी. तो इसका सही आंसर है C 405. 50th क्वेश्चन है टू कार स्टार्ट फ्रॉम प्लेस A and B 100 किलोमीटर अपार्ट टुवर्ड each other. Both cars start simultaneously. A bird sitting on one car start at the same time toward the other car and as soon as it's reach the second car it file back to the first car and it continues in this manner flying backward and forward from one car to the other until the cars meet. Both cars travel at a speed of 50 km per hour and the bird file at 100 km per hour. Total distance covered by the bird will be a 100 km. Thank you to watching Animani channel and thank you so much.